Hey guys, welcome. This is my second video. I am Azam. This is my Nokia E75. Here I am going to show how to remove the certificate error. Sorry, how to remove the expired certificate error from in the an application. Then we going to install how to install the correct certificate. It's mean the working certificate from in our software. Okay, lot of certificate error and remove methods I have, but some methods are working, some methods are not working. Today I am going to show the simple method to remove your old certificate and install the your new certificate from in your software. Okay, let's before going to do that, we have to know what are the software have the remove the certificate, and then going to install the our exact certificate in from in our softwares. Lot of softwares have also I am upload my blog. You can download from in there, free signer, Nokia free signer. Then you can use. I am also in here download and keep that file, setup file from in file manager from in my device. So now I am going to install the free signer for my mobile Nokia E75. Let's see what I am doing, then you guys follow the step by step my methods, so you can remove the certificate errors from in your mobile devices. See, I am going to install the mobile signer from in my devices. Name free signer already exit, and from I install this software for my phone memory. You can install memory card or anything anywhere you can install. Yes, and then yes, and installing guys. Yes, it's installed. Then I am going to the application manager, and then here have the my okay certificate. If you going here, you can have lot of options. Go and clear task and settings, about update. If you go into the settings, you can see the self signed certificate, self key signed, self sign and key pass, and certificate key pass. Here already automatically add the certificates and certificate key from in this software. You guys don't going to change this. Okay, now you going add task. If you click this in here what are the software you want to remove the certificate, then you going to install. You can see here today I am going to remove my certificate from in the media safe, and then I am going to install the exact certificate. Here have the location. I am select the route, and sorry, I am select the path from in here in media safe. I also add the, you can see in here I am add that first, and then the three options are visible. You can read from in here: signing SIS and self sign SIS and remove sign. First I am going to remove the certificate, so I am select the remove sign, and then again going to the option and select the go. So its task is complete. So I can see my certificate, remove certificate file from in the file manager, remove it. So I am going to the again going to the file manager, office, then file manager, memory card, and then I can see my location of my media safe. Here have the media safe. If I am going to install that, certificate error, contact the application supplier, the an error message are coming. So this application doesn't have the exact certificate, so already I removed my certificate from in file. So now I am here going to install the exact certificate for my this application. So I am again going to the application, and then signer, I am on that, and add task, and again going to the my path. But today now I am going to the already removed certificate. If you going to additional certificate media safe, the old setup file, you cannot be to get cannot be to do the certificate installation. So now you going to I am going to the certificate removed setup file, and select that, and going to install. On the again coming the three options: signing SIS. This is for we can sign in our mobile. Some every mobile have the every certificate, personal certificates. We will see another updates, but now I am going to the self sign. if I am do that, and again options, go, if I am press the go, task complete, and then again I am going to the office, then file manager, and then I can see the new my completed setup file. Now I am click the my completed setup file. Yes guys, it's work. Yeah, media safe, memory card. Again press installing. You guys can be to see now the media safe is installing. Okay guys, the now we are going to see where I have the media safe. Where is it? Yeah, it's in here. Yeah, it's work guys. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Thank you.